Let's learn about some farm animals first. It's cow. Cow says moo. It's sheep. Sheep says baa. It's dog. Dog says woof. It's horse. Horse says neigh. It's chicken. Chicken says cluck. It's pig. Pig says oink. It's donkey. Donkey says bray. It's duck. Duck says quack. It's deer. Deer says meh. It's rabbit. Rabbit says squeak. It's cat. Cat says meow. Let's learn some zoo animals now. Monkey. Elephant. Giraffe. Bear. Tiger. Kangaroo. Lion. Panda. Camel. Deer. Snake. Alligator. Frog. Mouse. Rhino. Gorilla. Fox. Wolf. Turtle. Zebra. Now learn some birds and insects. Ant. Ladybug. Caterpillar. Butterfly. Owl. Bee. Snail. Bird. Peacock. Squirrel. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.